Hello there, my name's Andy Lancelot, Customer Services Team Leader for City and Guilds. In this short video today, I'm going to show you how to make a dated entry submission for an examination on Walled Garden. First of all, please log on to walled-garden.com. From here, click into the Catalogue tab, and this is where most of your orders will be placed via Walled Garden. Please make sure before this point that you've registered your learners via Walled Garden via the name registration process. In my example here, I'd like to register a dated exam for a 3850-11 Stage 1 certificate in English. In this page here, I can see last registration date, last certification date, and the place an order function. So I've done my name registration already, and I now want to place the exam booking. There will now be a series of instructions and options for me to click on. We start with Learning Pathway, which is Stage 1 Certificate in English. This screen here shows me what the candidates need to do in order to achieve the full qualification. I can then click on here for the 201 exam and select the day I want to book the exam for, which the next sit-in is the 10th of June 2021 at 1 o'clock. And then continue. At this stage here, I can add my candidates to the order. I can search by candidate details, by cohort, single enrolment number, or multiple enrolment number. They're the main functions that a centre would use. If you have the enrolment number and the candidate is moved from a different centre to yourself, the candidate can be moved via this order process from other centre if you have their enrolment number and associated information here, which is gender and date of birth. In my example here, I already have the candidate details, so I'll use this option as the most convenient for me. And here I can just add the candidate's surname and gender and then search. My candidate is here, Danica Benjamin, date of birth 9th of December 1992. Click on Add and then Add to Order. From here, if I want to add more candidates or perhaps a cohort or further enrolment numbers, I keep adding onto this screen and the candidates will appear in this list just here. If I want to take the candidate away, click on Remove and then Update Order. In this case, I'm happy with this candidate to now proceed with the final stages of the order. Click Continue. Select the exam unit and again continue. This screen here enables you to remove any candidates as a last opportunity, so please use this screen as your final checks before you submit your order. Finally, this is the final screen within the Walled Garden ordering process. Here I can see the exam unit I booked for, the exam name and how many candidates it's for. If I go into the Detail tab, I can also see my learners, the time and the date of the exam. You will now need to enter a PO reference for correspondence. I can now print this list. I'll scroll down and click on Submit Order. I can also update order to add further candidates or cancel entirely. The system will ask, do you want to place this order? Okay. This is now my final screen of the ordering process. I now have an order number. I will also receive an email from Walled Garden giving me the information of my order. I hope this video tutorial was helpful, and thank you for listening.